I have a bird feeder outside my studio window. I look at it 2 or 3 times a day, but seldom see anything on it. However, the bird seed keeps going away, so I know something is feeding it. I decided to set up my video camera on the feeder and record it for 8 hours from 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. to see what was eating the bird seed. Here are the results from the least eaten to the most eaten. A nuthatch came twice for about 30 seconds each time. A goldfinch came once for about 2 minutes. A pair of cardinals came for about 3 minutes each. The male came while other birds were feeding in the afternoon, but the female waited until almost dark to feed alone. A red-bellied woodpecker came several times all day long, but only took one large seed or nut and left. But just before it started to get dark, it stayed to fill up for the night. In total, it was there about 5 minutes. The sparrows visited 2 or 3 times as a flock, and usually with other birds, for a total of about 5 minutes. But most of the seed was eaten by a squirrel that came twice and fed for about 20 minutes each time, for a total of over 40 minutes. So nearly 7 out of the 8 hours, there was nothing eaten at the feeder. And excluding the squirrel, the birds only fed about 35 minutes, in periods of about 2 minutes or less, making it unlikely that I would see them in passing the window.